This is how easy it is to build our own TTS API endpoint on top of our own n8n instance without any external API calls or external servers and all. So the process is simple. We will be sending a text via post request, and that will trigger our webhook, and we will be sending that text to our TTS Pro node, which we can you know install via community nodes, and we will be responding with the binary file of the generated audio. That's it. So let's just see things in action. Generate speech, and let me just go to the execution tab so that okay, it was running. Let's see how it goes. Okay, the audio got generated. So this is just an example scenario of one of the use case of TTS Pro node, and it was completely free. But you have to bear the n8n server cost, and that's not on me. So, and by the way, this is only works for self-hosted n8n instance. n8n cloud don't even, have the access to this particular TTS Pro node, and I simply build this. That's it for today.